We love you. Bigger. Okay. I'm all ready. A bit of adrenaline.
You know how to win the race now, so please understand.
Strapped in and ready to go in no time.
Okay, my friend, my very great pleasure. It's memorable. It's out of this world. I have never known something like this. You have the car. Okay. Wait next to that. Thank you. Okay. So you guys are ready? Together. Correct. It is a moment because the greening aspect of this rally speaks to the nature. Many people watch Safari Rally in picturesque environment, difficult terrain, up the mountains, down the valleys, and it's better when it is green. And I think that is why this greening aspect, I'm told 19 million trees will be planted as part of this carnival of activity. And it speaks to the belief in our government, in the people of Kenya, and I am confident that it is also the belief of WRC that we must do this in a sustainable manner, and ensure that we manage and work with the environment in a sustainable manner. And I want to congratulate them for bringing the greening aspect, the planting of trees, as part of this celebration.
What's your excitement about having a ride in a rally car later?
I don't know whether I'm going to do a ride or I'm going to drive it. You know, I think I want to try on the wheel itself. But I am looking forward to it. I think it is a great experience. You know, it's different. I've always watched the rally as a spectator. I haven't gotten a feel, you know, of what it feels inside the vehicle, inside the rally car. And I'm looking forward to that experience today.
Thank you very much.
Great.
See, all the best in your ride.
Thank you very much, and continue to do the good work you're doing. Kenyans want to know what is going on here, and I hope you will be able to tell them what's going on. Thank you very much. Abamuman.
That is yours.
Yes.
Okay. I think the